institution was Gurudev Shri Pannalalji Maharaj, the supreme head of Jain Shwetambar Sthanakvasi Nanak Vansh. By his grace, in the form of Acharya Shri Sudarshan Lalji Maharaj, Shri Pragya Jain Smarak Samiti commenced Pragya Bal Mandir in 1976 with dreamy hearts, soulful eyes and adamant mind. Nothing could be hindrance in the path of determination, so Natch, it was converted into Shri Pragya Public School in 1997. Consummate personnel and their crucial actions led the school secondary in 2003 and senior secondary in 2007. Today, it is privileged to mention that Pragya Senior Secondary School has been so flourished as it has its own two buildings. One is in front of Mahavir Bhavan Playgroup to class 2nd and another one is at Pragya Road from 1st to 12th standard. And other areas of development. While academic excellence across curricula resides at the center of the school life, every student is groomed to have intellectual dexterity, independent thinking, unflagging curiosity, and social responsibility. At Shri Pragya Public School, we believe that children are bundles of joy, eager to learn and keen to impress. Each of them is unique, a genius in their own right. This genius is what we try to develop in each day. We take them as an individual, keeping in mind that there is one thing in them which is unique. This makes them different, which gives them their genius. I request Shri Sohan Lalji Tate, President of our school, to welcome our chief guest Shri S.S. Jain, President Projects and Works, Mangalam Cement. I would like to request Secretary of our school, Shri Gyan Chandji Kothari sir, to welcome Mr. Gautam Chandji Binaikia. He is National President Akhil Bharatiya Shri Pragyan Jain Yuva Mandal. Now, I would like to request Shri Gyan Chandji Sakla to welcome our guest of honor of this program, Mr. Arvind Kumarji Khicha. He is Vice President Commercial Shri Siemens. Now, I would like to call Shri Ajitji Tater to welcome Mrs. Neelam Ji, wife of Gautam Chandji Binaikia. Accolation is the best way to breathe new spirit to the students. I would like to invite our chief guest, Shri S.S. Jain, President, Gautam Chandji Binaikia, guest of honor, Shri Arvind Kumarji Khicha, to come on the stage for award ceremony. I would like to call a sponsor of Shrimati Rasal Kamar Sugan Chandji Barola Memorial Best Boy Award, Mr. Prakash Chandji Baroda ji. Mrs. Rasal Kamar Sugan Chandji Baroda Memorial Best Boy Award goes to Rohit Choradia. Rohit Choradia, reticent, sincere to work, respecting to teachers, hardworking, well-mannered, obedient, and laconic. In nutshell, he is versatile boy. Congrats, Rohit. May you add feather to cap. Now, I would like to call Shri Seth, the sponsor of Shri Seth Ganesha Lal Santosh Devi Kothari Memorial Award, Shri Gyan Chandji Kothari. Shri Seth Ganesh Lal Santosh Devi Kothari Memorial Best Girl Award goes to Aditi Chauhan. Aditi Chauhan, who is active, disciplined, decent, taciturn, respecting to teachers and elders. Concisely, she is multi-talented. Congrats, Aditi. May you make headway in your life. I would like to call a sponsor of Mrs. Sugan Kamar, Mr. Harchand Pokharna, Mr. S.S. Jain, Mrs. Sugan Kamar, Harchand Pokharna Award. Best Actor Award goes to Palak Kumawat. Congrats, Palak. May you come out with flying colors wherever you go. I would like to call upon stage the sponsor of Mr. Umrao Singh Pokharna Memorial Award, Mr. Surendra, Shri S.S. Jain. Mr. Umrao Singh Pokharna Memorial Thought Expression Award goes to Pratiksha Kumawat. Congrats, Pratiksha. Everyone knows what to say, but only a few people know how to say. I would like to call the sponsor of Mrs. Pan Kamar Fateh Singh Tater Memorial Award, sponsored by Gyanchand Tater. Mrs. Pan Kamar Fateh Chand Tater Memorial Award goes to Gargi Tripathi. I would like to call the sponsor of Mr. Ratanlal Kathor Memorial Award, Mr. Sushil Kumarji Kathor. Best Debate Award goes to Sarika Chaudhary. Congrats, Sarika. She is all-rounder. May you touch the heights of sky. Keep it up. I would like to call the sponsor of Mrs. Ugam Kamar Lalchand Pokharna Memorial Award, Mr. Gumanmal Pokharna ji. Mrs. Ugam Kamar Lalchand Pokharna Memorial Award. Best Poetry Award goes to Harshit Sharma. He is a gem of Pragya School. He is multi-talented and touches the perfection of every field. Congrats, Harshit. Don't limit the challenge, but challenge your limits. Now, I would like to call the sponsor of Mrs. Ugam Kamar Kanhaiya Lal Nabera Memorial Award, Mr. Ashok Kumar Nabera. Mrs. Ugam Kamar Kanhaiya Lal Nabera Memorial Dance Award goes to Riya. Dance is an art which is possessed by rare people. Congrats, Riya. Always follow your dreams. You will reach your destination. Now, I would like to call the sponsor of Mr. Kamlesh Kothari Memorial Award, Mrs. Kavita Ji Cheaper. Mrs. Kamlesh Kothari Memorial Most Active Student goes to Priya Sharma. On the behalf of Priya Sharma, her mother came.